Welcome back. In this video, you are going to understand the first intuition on logical thinking. This is very important class to understand. So this is going to help you a lot in developing your coding skills. So now coming to our previous classes, what we have learned in our previous classes, we discussed about arithmetic operators. So we know that addition, multiplication, minus, division, multiplication, integer division, modulus, these are the arithmetic operators which we learned in our previous class. 90% of the students, they will stop it here. They think that they understood the concept. Yes, they understood the concept, but it is not enough. You push yourself a little bit and try to apply what you learned. Their logical thinking is needed. That is the way you need to develop your coding skills. So you need to apply what you have learned. So that intuition we are going to provide in this class so that you will be in a good position to think in multiple directions in an application way. Now coming to first try to understand the question, then we'll go for the solution. The input is x equal to 569. We are going to provide you a 3-digit number. That is what the input is. Means in a variable we have considered 569 is the value. You take any 3-digit number, 349. Whatever the 3-digit, you are going to provide input a 3-digit number. That is what the input is. And you need to do coding, you type some program and you need to display. See, in this 569, what is the units place? 9. So you need to display units place is 9. And what's the tens place? 6. And what's the hundreds place? 5. This is what you need to display. You have to use only arithmetic operators. See, computers cannot see. By looking at this number, we can say that as a humans, we can say 569, 9 is the units place, 6 is the tens place, 5 is the hundreds place, but computers don't understand, they can't see. You need to provide some logic. What language they will understand? They will understand these operators. Using them, you need to display the units, tens and hundreds places. That is what the output you need to provide. So you need to pause it here. You take whatever the time you needed, write the code, try it 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the time it takes. You start thinking about it. How I can write code to display ones place, nines, tens place and hundreds place. Then come back and check for the solution. Now, coming to the solution part, let's see this. Given number 569, suppose if you divide this number 569 divided by 10, see what happens. 569 divided by 10, 1056, 560, what is the remainder? 9. By looking at this, what you are going to understand, 9 is the units place value. So once you divide the number by 10, the remainder is going to be unit position. In our last class, from the arithmetic operators, how to take the remainder value? Modulus operation. So we need to use modulus operation to take the remainder value. And next point you need to understand, 569 divided by 10. Actually, what's the value? 56.9. But we need this 56 also. How to take the integer part of the division value? Integer division you need to take. So 56, if you want to take this 56 value, use integer division operation. So that is how we got. Now we got 56 value. Again, 56 divided by 10. 56 divided by 10. 10 5 is 50. What's the remainder? 6. Now you got tens position from 56. What's the remainder? 5. This is the hundreds position value, the value that present in hundreds position. These are the operations you need to do to display units position, hundreds position and tens position. Now coming to the coding part, take one variable, units position equal to x modulus 10. What you are going to get? 9 you are going to get here. After that, you have to consider the integer part from 560. So x equal to x integer division 10. Now x contains 56. Again do it. Tens position equal to x modulus 10. What we have in x? 56. 56 modulus 10 means 6. Remainder value. X equal to x integer division 10. What you are going to get? 5. Now x contains 5, hundreds position. You need to display these values. Print units position, print tens position, print x value, hundreds position. This is what the logical thinking means. You need to apply what you have to learn, what you have learned. Hope you got good clarity how you need to think about programming. The deeper understanding, that is what needed here in order to build your coding skills. Hope you got good clarity about this solution. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.